Solutions Physical Chemistry Class 12 Important Numericals Part 2. So boiling point of benzene is 353.23 Kelvin. When 1.80 grams of non-volatile solute is dissolved in 90 grams of benzene, the boiling point is raised to 354.11. Calculate the molecular mass of the solute. Given Kb for benzene as 2.53 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. So given data, the boiling point of benzene, that is pure solvent, is 353.23 Kelvin. So after mixing the non-volatile solute, the boiling point increases. So first weight of the solute is 1.80 grams. W1 is dissolved in 90 gram. So solvent is 90 gram, and the temperature is raised to 354.11. This is called as elevation of boiling point. This we already studied in our theory part. So calculate the molecular mass of the solute. So M2 only they are asking. So formula is delta TB is equal to Kb into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So delta TB is nothing but TB minus TB naught. That is equal to Kb into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So TB minus TB naught is 0.08. So you subtract and find it out. And substituting all the other values, 1.80 into 1000 by M2 into 90. So we supposed to calculate only M2, molecular mass of the solute. So cross multiplying. So M2 will go to the left hand side, and the remaining value I am writing 1.80 into 1000 divided by 0.88 into 90. So on solving this, you will get M2 is equal to 57.5 grams. This is the molecular mass of the solute. Question number 4. A 4% solution of a non-volatile solute is isotonic with 0.702% of urea solution. Calculate the molar mass of the non-volatile solute. Molecular mass of urea is 60 gram mole inverse. So clearly it is given in the question that it is isotonic. Isotonic means concentration of first solution must be equal to the concentration of second solution. So W1 by M1 is equal to formula is W1 by M1 is equal to W2 by M2. So 4% solution means 4 grams dissolved in 100 grams. So 4 grams solute. Molecular mass of solute we don't know. For the second solution, 0.702 grams of solute. Molecular mass of the solute is 60 grams. That is given. So we supposed to calculate only M1. So M1 is equal to cross multiplying these. So we will get, on calculating M2 is equal, M1 is equal to 341.8 grams. This is the molecular mass of the solute. Question number 5. The mole fraction of helium in a saturated solution of 20 degrees Celsius is 1.2 10 to the power of minus 6. So mole fraction is given 1.2 10 to the power of minus 6. Find the pressure of helium of both the solutions. So pressure only we have to find. Given the Henry's constant, Kh is equal to 144.97 Kelvin bar. So we know that Henry's law is P is equal to Kh into X. So we supposed to calculate only P. So 144.97 into 1.2 10 to the power of minus 6. So on calculating, we will get the partial pressure P is equal to 0.1739 bar. Ethylene glycol of molecular mass 62 grams per mole is a common automobile antifreeze. Calculate the depression and freezing point of solution containing 12.4 gram of this substance in 100 grams of water. Given Kf is equal to 1.86 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. So this question is clearly from depression of freezing point. So depression and freezing point is delta TF. So delta TF formula will be Kf into W2 into 1000 divided by M2 into W1. So delta TF only they want us to calculate. So substituting all the other values, W2 is the weight of the solute, that is 12.4 grams dissolved in 100 grams. So 12.4 gram is the weight of the solute. Solvent weight is 100 grams. So this is 12.4 into 1000 by molecular mass is given 62. Weight of the solvent is 100 grams. So on calculating this, you will get 3.72 Kelvin. So this is the depression of freezing point. If 1.71 grams of sugar of molecular mass 342 is dissolved in 500 centimeter cube of a solution at 300 Kelvin, what will be its osmotic pressure? Given R is equal to 0.0832 bar Kelvin inverse mole inverse. Okay, this is from osmotic pressure. So we have to calculate only osmotic pressure. So formula is pi V is equal to nRT. So we already know that N is equal to mass by molecular mass. So W by M. So W by M into RT. So pi is equal to W RT by M into P. So substituting the known values, 1.79 into 0.083 into temperature is 300 Kelvin divided by molecular mass, that is 342 given into V is 1 centimeter cube milliliter. This is 500 milliliter. Centimeter cube is milliliter, therefore 500 milliliter. So in liter 500 by 1000. So 1.71 into 0.083 into 300 divided by 342 into 0.5 liters. So you will get osmotic pressure pi as 0.249 bar on calculation. Students, these problems are very important for your board exams. So you go through all the problems, you do all the problems, you do all model problems, whatever you have it in your textbook. So thorough properly.